Okay class, today we're going to learn about the planets in our solar system. And first I'm going to give y'all an introduction that first talks about the solar system, and then I'm going to introduce the planets. So here we go.
Can a Nobel Peace Laureate be a rabid fan?
Of course, still human beings.
We pride ourselves in being united as a...
The solar system is made up of one star, a handful of planets, more than 100 moons, millions of rocky asteroids, and billions of comets. All these bodies revolve around the sun because of the gravity of the sun. Gravity of the sun is a force that pulls the objects toward the center of the sun. The sun is the only star in our solar system. It is a huge ball of fire shooting light and heat in all directions. No living thing can survive without the sun. All the planets and the moons use sun rays for their light. There are 8 planets in our solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Venus is the hottest planet of the solar system. Earth is the planet where we live. It is the 3rd planet from the Sun, after Mercury and Venus. Earth is the 5th biggest planet of the solar system, but all the planets are tiny in comparison to the Sun. It takes 365 days to revolve around the Sun. Earth looks blue from space because it is mainly covered by water. Earth has 1 moon. There are many planets that have more than 1 moon. The moon revolves around the Earth as well as the Sun. It takes 24 hours to revolve around the Earth. The moonlight we see from Earth is the light from the Sun. There are some small rocky bodies in the solar system that have been left over from the formation of the planets. These are called asteroids. Asteroids don't have enough gravity to pull them into the shape of a ball. Most of them lie in between Mars and Jupiter. Comets are balls of rock and ice that grow tails as they approach the sun. Comets come from far away, an imaginary place at the edge of the solar system. As it moves closer to the sun, the glowing tails are visible. As comets heat up, gas and dust are expelled and trail behind them. All the stars that shine in the sky are like our sun. Many solar systems together form a galaxy. We live in the Milky Way galaxy, which is spiral in shape. Many galaxies together make the universe.
Okay, yay! Do you have any questions? Okay, Mercury. Mercury is an inner planet, and it's the largest planet closest to our sun. It's a small rocky planet that's like our moon. One of the Mercury's largest features is called the Caloris Basin, and that is a crater that is made up of a large meteorite in the early formation of the solar system. It's covered in craters and hasn't changed a lot from when it was first formed. The next planet is Venus. Venus is probably one of the smallest planets and is the second planet from the sun. It's very alike. It's called the sister planet. And Venus probably once had the largest amount of water like Earth, but it boiled away because it's so close to the sun. And the sun is hot, so it makes from the heat from the sun makes the water boil. If Earth would have been a little closer to the sun, the same thing would have happened to the Earth. Next planet is the Earth, the planet that we live on. It's also an inner planet, the planet that has life, and of course what we live on. The third planet from the sun, and the Earth's surface is very young. The Earth's surface has not changed a lot from when it was first formed. The next planet is Mars. It's also an inner planet, and it's the fourth planet from the sun. It's the second planet, smallest after Mercury. It has the Olympus Mons, which is the Olympus Mons is the largest mountain in the solar system. It rises a full 24 kilometers above the surrounding plain. It had an evidence of small floods and small river systems, and it has a thinner atmosphere than Earth, and its temperatures range from 35 to 125 degrees Celsius. The next planet is Jupiter, and it is considered an outer planet. It is the fifth planet from the sun. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. Jupiter is 318 times bigger than Earth, which is really big. The swirls and bands that you see on Jupiter are the tops of clouds high in its atmosphere. The Great Red Spot is a high-pressured area where clouds' tops are a lot higher and colder than the surrounding areas. The next planet is Saturn. It's also an outer planet. It's the sixth planet from the sun, the second largest planet in the solar system, and has very bright rings. Rings are composed of many small particles orbiting Saturn in their own speed. Saturn is pretty much the only planet that has a ring. Others are just little rings that don't even actually make a ring because it's just gas. The next planet is Uranus, and it's also an outer planet. It's the seventh planet from the sun and the third largest planet in the solar system. Uranus is blue because of its gas that surrounds it, and that gas is called methane. Methane is found in Uranus's upper atmosphere. It may have colored bands like Jupiter, but are hidden from view by the methane layer. Neptune, it's the last planet in our solar system. It's also the outer planet, and it's the eighth planet from the sun. It's the fourth largest planet in the solar system. It has rapid winds trapped in bands of a large storm, and Neptune's winds are the fastest in the solar system. And here is a sentence that will help you remember the order of the solar system. And it's my very easy method just speeds up names. And I have a little fun song video to show y'all. Yes, Casey?
Can we say the sentence together so we can remember it?
Yeah, let's do it together. Okay.
My very easy method just speeds up names. Oh, thank you.
Okay, now y'all are going to watch a really fun video.
So that's
We can see the whole solar system from here.
I think we can hear it from here too.
We are the planets of the solar system, different sizes for everyone. The music never ends, we are such good friends, and we all orbit the sun.
We know the sun, rapping first on this track from the beginning. I'm the center of the solar system, planets be spinning around me. So hot, I'm roasting, you see. Now I pass the mic to the planet closest to me.
Mercury, the smallest planet, small as Earth's moon. I get super hot and cold and it's been very slow. I'm Venus, I got mountains and volcanoes and spray. I'm the same size as Earth, but in the opposite way.
Yeah, I heard I'm the home to every boy and girl.
Such a beautiful, beautiful world.
On Mars, the red planet, I got deserts and ice, and I've got blue moons. That's like one we were twice. I'm super the biggest planet, I'm humongous, gargantuan. I spin the fastest, rapid fastest, plus I'm handsome, grand son.
I'm Saturn, check out my beautiful rings. They are billions of rocks.
What is that? I think the sound went away.
Well, I guess we lost sound, but that's okay. You all got the picture. Okay. Now, I hope y'all are paying attention because I'm going to ask y'all a few questions. Can y'all raise y'all hands if y'all know what all the inner planets are? Casey.
Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars.
Correct. Yay. Okay. What are all the outer planets?
Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
Correct. Yay. Okay. What planet is considered the Earth's sister? Yvonne.
I think it's Venus.
Yay. Great. Okay. And what planet is the largest planet? Casey.
Jupiter.
Yay! Okay, can y'all all tell me all together what planet we live on?
Earth.
Yay! Okay, now I want y'all to pull out a piece of paper because y'all are going to have a writing assignment. I want y'all to tell me what y'all found interesting about this lesson today. 3 things. List 3 things interesting that y'all found in the lesson today.
That we didn't know before.
That y'all didn't know before. And then when y'all are done, y'all can turn them into me at my desk. Thank you. Oh, I need y'all to go to this website and do some research on y'all planet. Oh, use your computers and research a planet. Just pick a planet. If y'all want to, y'all can get in groups and pick a planet.
Can we do it with a buddy?
Yes, your elbow buddy. Can y'all talk to y'all elbow buddies and see if y'all can research it? Talk about it. Talk about the different ideas y'all have about each planet. And just, we're going to do 5 minutes on that, and then that's going to be it for today.